What's going on YouTube? Uberman here. We're going to talk about something serious today. I'm not going to make this video boring. I'm not going to stretch it out too long here. But doing YouTube videos, it does cost money, but it also pays out pretty well. Now, I don't know if my channel is just special in comparison to everybody else on YouTube. I don't think so. But my YouTube channel since starting this Copart series it's on fire. Subscribers have more than doubled month to month, and my income is ridiculous. My earnings are just absolutely ridiculous right now. I can't even believe how much I'm making on YouTube because I've never seen numbers like this before. And this is not to brag, not at all. What this is this is me saying, if you, the subscriber, the one that's watching my video, that's commenting, liking, and sharing my video, if you are willing to give me your time and help me make a living doing something that I thoroughly enjoy doing, then why wouldn't I want to give back to you? Now, obviously, I can't give back to every one of you, but what if I give away a car? And I don't have this fully mapped out yet, okay? But at 50,000 subscribers today, I'm pulling in about $6,000 a month from YouTube alone. And we're going to go through that because I have a lot of people that call me a liar. So I'm going to show you the analytics and stuff real quick, but we're not going to dive into it so much that it becomes boring. But at $6,000 a month, at 50,000 subscribers, gaining over 4,000 subscribers a month right now, why can't I afford in the near future to be able to give away cars on this channel? Now, here's the thing. Do you know of any YouTubers out there that do routine car giveaways on their channel? If so, please comment below. The reason is I don't think anybody else is doing this on a regular basis. And if they are, I would like to see this. And, maybe I can learn a little bit from them, what they're doing, how they do it, how they pick the people that win the car. But I would like to take a car that I fix and then give it away. And in some cases, maybe even personally deliver it to you. There will be some stipulations. You're going to have to be on video. You're going to have to get on video so people can see that I did give the car to you, and you're happy and hopefully excited about getting a new car. And maybe even meeting me in person. I think that would be cool. It'd be a way for me to actually get to meet some of my subscribers. And I think that would be really cool because I want this channel to be more personal. I don't want it to just be, I buy cars, you watch, I sell the cars, make money off of the cars, and then I make a ton of money off you watching and, you get to watch a video. I feel like that's a little greedy. I'm not a greedy person. According to Social Blade, in the next year, my channel's going to hit 100,000 subscribers. In the next year, my view count's going to more than double. And if that's the case, my income should also double. So if you would be willing to do a few things on a regular basis, that's like my videos, share my videos, that's really important, and comment on my videos, you can help this channel grow a whole lot faster. Believe it or not, you as an individual have a lot more power than you probably even realize, because if a lot of individuals get together and they like and they leave a comment and they share the video, other people will jump on board and do it as well. This boosts how fast my channel grows. Now, I'm sitting here thinking, if I'm making over $5,000 a month right now at 50,000 subscribers, it only stands to reason that when I hit 100,000, I should be making over 10,000 a month. Now, let me tell you something. Buying cars is expensive and parts are expensive, and I'm looking at buying a trailer. I'm looking at buying something that I can pull a trailer with so I can haul cars, especially if I'm going to be delivering a car to you. I'm going to have to get home some way, so I would need to pull a trailer with your car on it, and that's really the reason for buying the trailer now. I found one, a Dovetail. We're going to show that to you in just a minute. I want to get everything set up so that I can do this in the future. I want to have it ready to go because I believe you guys are going to help me grow to the point where I can give back to the community. Video equipment is expensive. And I know for a lot of you guys, watching a video takes 5 or 10 minutes. But for me to make a video, this takes hours out of my day to, do the work, record the video, and then it takes another couple hours at least to edit the video, then another hour or so to produce it, then another hour, hour and 15 minutes to upload it. Making videos is very time consuming, and it's a lot more work than people would probably think it is. So, help me grow this channel so that I can do what I want to do. I'm not greedy. I'm not a greedy person. I'm comfortable living the life I live right now. If I were to double my income on this channel, this would be blissful. I mean, I don't expect to have 1 million viewers or 1 million subscribers or, whatever. I'm not trying to get rich off of this. But if I could double my income, if I can hit that 100,000, that's going to put me in an amazing place to not only live a lot more comfortably myself, but to do what I really want to do, and that is to help people, to give back to others, because that brings me a lot of joy. It makes me feel really good. So help me do that. Let's jump into some analytics real quick. Okay, so there's a few people out there, and I always try to be transparent with my viewers. There's some people out there that are telling me that I don't make what I say I make, that I'm not getting paid what I say I get paid. Now, I recently did a video saying that I was making over $3,000 a month, and I had a few people comment and say, no, this is your estimated. If you look right here where my mouse is, this is your estimated revenue, and you have to take 20% out for YouTube, and you have to blah, 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 blah. Look, I've been doing YouTube since like 2007, all right, so I know how this works, and this is usually a very accurate number. So when I did that video that said I made, I was going to make $3,000 something paid out this month, and people were telling me, no, you won't. Well, here is my Google AdSense. This is how much I got paid out on the 21st of this month. Yes, $3,521, which is what my YouTube estimated revenue said I was going to make. There's no 20% taken out. For those of you that just think you know what you're talking about, but you don't, please just leave it alone and let the people that do this for a living continue what we do. This is what YouTube estimated said I was going to make, and that is what I made. My next payment so far is at $58.32, and it's going up daily. My subscribers are now at 4,000 plus subscribers a month. You can see the charts are just going up, up, up. Well, except for views. Views have gone down a little bit, but as you can see, watch time is going up. We are almost at 50,000 subscribers, 12.8 million views, and 4.6 million minutes of watch time, 1.2 million views. The channel is on fire thanks to you guys, and this is why I want to give back to the people that allow me to do what I do. And, I said we're going to be looking at a trailer. I found this one's about 35 minutes away. I know it's an old one. It's not the prettiest, but that's not what this channel is about. This channel is about doing things in a relatively cheap manner, but still doing them in the right manner. This is a good trailer. It should serve its purpose very well. I love that it's a dovetail, and it's $1,300. I can probably talk the guy down to $1,000. This is something we're going to need so that as I buy wrecked cars, we can pull them home. And as I do giveaways where I'm going to travel to your location, I can bring the car to you and then still have a way to get home myself without having to catch a bus or a flight or something, still keeping expenses at a minimum. So hopefully showing you my analytics, showing you my income helps to be transparent and show that I'm being honest with you, and that's really important to me. Open communication, honesty with my viewers, and trying to make this channel personal. And I think giving back to the people that are allowing me to do what I do for a living is the right thing to do. And that's what I fully intend to do with this channel. Now, I think I can afford to do this I'm hoping at least monthly, okay? I'm going to start off by saying hopefully we can do this monthly. But if I'm going to make $6,000 a month off of 50,000 subscribers, maybe we can start doing this when I hit 75,000. That's not much. That's 25,000 more subscribers. How can you help? Like I said, please like the hell out of my videos. Seriously, it helps more than you realize. The power of the like button is underestimated. Next, share my videos, please. If you share these videos, you're going to get more people subscribed. More people subscribe means we're going to get to this goal a whole lot quicker. I would like to do my first car giveaway at 75,000 subs. All right, that is the goal right now, and we're not that far from it. So with your help, we can grow this channel a whole lot faster. And when I get to that 75,000 mark, we're going to give away our first car. And hopefully from that point on, I can do this at least monthly, maybe more. I think it'd be really cool to travel around, meet my subscribers, deliver cars, and in some cases you may have to come here and get a car from me. It just depends on my current situation, at that time. But tell me what you think. Please comment below and tell me what you think of my idea. It really makes me wonder when I see some of these people that have, hundreds of thousands of subscribers, and they sell merchandise and they have sponsors, and it seems like if I can make $6,000 a month off of my little 50,000 subscriber base, what are you doing to give back to the people that make your life possible? And I'm not trying to start drama. It's just, I'm a very selfless person. I'm a very giving person by nature. And I could have never imagined in my younger years being able to do something that I love and really enjoy and make a living doing it. And it's only the right thing to do, to give back to the people that make my life possible. So I guess what I'm really trying to say is thank you. We're about to cross 50,000 subscribers, and I obviously could never have done this without you, and I appreciate you, and I look forward to giving back to the people that make my life possible. Comment below. Tell me what you think. Hit the like button. Share the video. I think people would be interested in getting a free car. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.